Brain stroke. Brain stroke is also known as brain attack. It is damage to the brain or part of the brain from interruption of its blood supply. Risk factors of stroke are hypertension, heart disease, diabetes mellitus, smoking, history of TIAs means transient ischemic attacks, high cholesterol, obesity, illegal drug consumption. Types of stroke. Ischemic stroke. 80% of all brain strokes are ischemic strokes. 20% of all brain strokes are hemorrhagic stroke. Ischemic stroke is blockage of blood vessels in the brain or in the neck, or the clot originates in the heart or in the neck which blocks the vessels. Hemorrhagic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke is due to high blood pressure and due to aneurysm. The blood thinners are indicated in ischemic stroke. On contrast, in hemorrhagic stroke, blood thinners are contraindicated. Acute stroke treatment involves medical or blood thinners like RTPA or Altiplase, surgical endovascular like blood clot is removed within the blood vessel. The procedure is called thrombectomy. In this procedure, the clot is removed through the stent retriever. Stroke preventive surgery. Carotid artery stenosis. It is also known as revascularization procedure. Whenever there is a carotid artery stenosis, the carotid stenting can be done and carotid endarterectomy can also be done. Here, the fat plaques will be removed after opening the vessel or carotid artery in the neck. Aneurysm can be clipped or coiled endovascularly. AVM, arteriovenous malformation, and AVF, arteriovenous fistula. Whenever these are, we will do embolization or excision of AVM. And whenever there is a moya disease, the brain bypass surgery like STA, MCA bypass, we will tell it will be done. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.